right, I'm going to do a very brief overview of the two different types of islands that you can use with the PAC closet library. So on the left here, we have full boxes. That's going to be full overlay. We can use axle feet if we want to, and they're just going to be entire boxes instead of shared panels. On the right, we have shared panels. So it's just panels and sections, exactly like the rest of the closet perimeter will be built. Now, the reason you would use full boxes over panels and sections is because you can put these full boxes together at the shop and then send them out. Um, Another reason would be so that you can use the Axelo adjustable feet and so you can have full overlay on your islands. Sometimes the half overlay bothers people. I think you just go for it. Like, what is this library for? It's for drag and drop, and you can still build a really nice closet with this look here. It looks nice. Anyways, my opinion doesn't really matter that much. So if we go up to the top reveal here, it's also half overlay. So we have full overlay here, half up top, half down below. This is because of our modular heights. So if we want to keep modular heights on drawer fronts, we want to keep it like this. I wouldn't go adjusting these. You could adjust them manually, and that would be fine. I mean, realistically, the island little extra adjustment is not that big of a deal. You could go into the face tab and adjust that. So those are the two different types of islands. I can show you where to find them over here on the left in products. We can go down to islands and you have full boxes, panels, and sections. Now I'm going to have a few more videos after this. We're going to go into how to build the single and double-sided islands for each. And then we're going to go into construction and if you need to manipulate them, how would you go about doing that? So I'll make it very simple, concise, so you can find the video, find the information you need, and then move on with your life. All right.